Hi again, guys. I hope you're all enjoying some summer sunshine and getting in a little vacation this year, while also making time to catch up on our videos. So I'm just going to dive right in. This week, we're going to be talking a little bit about replacement parts. So as a business, Frontline is always striving to be more sustainable, and a big part of that is focusing on extending the life of our products by ensuring excellent build quality and versatility. So not only do we specialize in supplying premium displays, but what some of you might not know is that we also are the only wide format hardware distributor to offer replacement parts. So since portable banners have to fold up for transportation, the majority come in self-assembling format. So the most common being our range of retractable and tension banner stands. Rattling around in the trunk of your car, or even just the wear and tear caused by repeated use at busy trade shows, can cause damage that affects the look and performance of your banner. The good news is that broken parts don't have to spell trash for your banner stand. One of our most commonly damaged parts of the pop-up banner is the bungee pole. This is the main support that holds the banner up. So if the pole gets bent, the elastic snaps, or the top hook breaks off, you may not be able to assemble your banner. The solution: simply buy a brand new pole and off you go. And don't forget to select the right model to ensure the perfect fit. We also provide replacement end caps, replacement top clamp bars, additional hook and loop fastener, additional bags, and also lighting accessories. So it's important to consider preventing damage to your display in the longer term by investing in padded, protected bags or hard travel case bags to keep your display in tip-top condition. Some of our travel cases even double as a convenient podium that looks great at any of your trade show displays. So for further information or help choosing the right replacement part, simply reach out to Frontline and we'll be happy to help. And be sure to stay tuned for our next video, where we will be diving a little deeper into Frontline's commitment to reducing our environmental impact. I hope you all are having a lovely summer so far, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.